Идет, idiot. Can you hear the difference? They are two different words. Totally different. I am Julia, professional online Russian teacher. I've been teaching one-on-one and group classes as well as team building sessions since 2016. I'm from Russia, but I've been traveling for many years and lived in lots of different countries. I helped lots of people to start speaking Russian from scratch, improve their speaking, listening, and even handwriting skills. Prepare, pass different exams, successfully finish business negotiation, and get a beautiful Russian accent. Или русский – это ваша любовь, и вы мечтаете прочитать русскую классику в оригинале? Don't understand what I'm saying? Don't worry, I will explain things in English if it's needed and speak slower. Sign up for my classes today to speak Russian tomorrow. With me, you will sound like a Russian. I promise you.